Hello, I'm Katie with WTI, and let me share this fantastic coffee table from FABATO. So do you see this? This is a lift top. I can literally pull the top of the coffee table to use it as a lap table. This table has so many useful features. So not only is the lift top so convenient to use as a desk to eat off of, but underneath it has storage space where I can store coasters, extra supplies, remotes, anything that I really want out of the way. It also has 2 drawers at the bottom for storage, which really is so convenient. This is perfect for anyone who lives in an apartment or a small space where you don't have a lot of places to put things, because there's storage in the table, and that's so smart. I also love the finish. The black is so pretty and versatile. I don't worry about it not matching any furniture in the future, and it was easy to put together. It only took us 2 people 45 minutes. So this table really is so worth it. It's versatile, it's pretty, it's everything I need. The only comment I would make is that the hinge to lift the top can be a bit wobbly, so keep that in mind. But otherwise, now you know, try it for yourself. And that is my point of view.